In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any product link into ready-to-post TikTok and Reel ads using Creatify. By the end, you'll know how it works, how to generate short-form ad creatives in minutes, and how to produce scroll-stopping videos without filming or editing yourself. This is especially useful for e-commerce brands, dropshippers, and creators who want to test ads quickly and scale winning products. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Let's get into it. What is Creatify? Creatify is an AI video ad creation platform designed to turn product pages into short-form video ads automatically. Instead of filming content, hiring actors, or editing videos manually, you can paste a product link and Creatify generates ad creatives formatted for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other vertical platforms. The platform analyzes the product page, pulls images and descriptions, and builds video ads using AI avatars, voiceovers, captions, and motion graphics. What makes Creatify powerful is speed. You can produce multiple ad variations in minutes, making it easier to test different hooks, messaging angles, and creative styles without increasing production cost. These videos can be used for paid ads, organic content, product launches, and marketplace listing. How it works. Creatify uses AI to convert product information into short-form video creatives. So after you paste a product link, the platform gathers images, product details, and key selling points. It then generates scripts, visuals, captions, and voiceovers optimized for short-form platforms. You can customize the script, choose different presenters or voices, adjust branding elements, and export multiple versions to test performance. This allows businesses and creators to produce ad creatives quickly while maintaining a consistent visual style. If you want to follow along with the same workflow that I'm using, you can use the link below to open Creatify and get started. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll land on the home screen where Creatify showcases ready-made ad styles and social-first creatives. This page is designed to help you move fast. So instead of starting from scratch, you can begin from proven ad formats that already perform well on TikTok, Reels, and short-form platforms. So let's go to social and UGC ads. So these are short-form ad styles modeled after content that performs well on social media. So you'll notice that they feel really native, like real user videos rather than polished commercials. So this is important because modern ads don't succeed by looking like ads. They succeed by blending into the content people already enjoy watching. Each tile represents a different creative style, hook format, or presentation angle. When you hover over a video, you'll see the recreate button appear. Click recreate on a style that matches the vibe that you want. For example, lifestyle product demo, testimonial style video, maybe it's a problem solution format, or a casual holding the product clip. So you're not copying the ad, you're using it to structure as a starting point. So this saves time and gives you a proven format instead of guessing what might work. After you click recreate, Creatify opens the ad builder and brings you to the product setup screen. So this is where you personalize the ad so it reflects your product instead of the sample that's shown in the template. So on the right side, you'll see add product information. So this is where the platform gathers the detail that it needs to generate your video. So the fastest option is to click autofill from product and paste your product page link. So Creatify will scan the page and pull in images, product details, and key descriptions to speed up the process. If you prefer to enter details manually, you can do that here as well. Start by entering your product name. Keep this clear and recognizable so messaging feels natural. Next, upload your product image. You can drag and drop a photo, upload from your computer, or choose from your existing assets. Select an image that clearly shows the product and looks good on a mobile screen, since most users will see the ad on their phone. Below that, you'll see the script field. So this is where you describe your product and the key benefit you want the ad to highlight. Keep this short and benefit focused. Instead of listing features, you want to describe the result the customers care about. For example, rather than saying SPF 50 broad spectrum protection, you might say lightweight sunscreen that protects your skin without leaving a greasy feel. The template will use this description to generate captions and messaging that match the ad style you selected. As you update the details, you'll see the preview on the left reflect the style and pacing of the ad. Once everything looks right, click Generate Video at the bottom. Creatify will render the ad using the format that you chose, your product details, and the generated scripts. In just a few moments, you'll have a ready-to-use short-form video. After you generate the video, once the video finishes generating, take a moment to preview the final result. Make sure the messaging feels natural, the captions are easy to read, and the product is clearly visible. Before exporting, check the aspect ratio settings and export your video in 9:16 vertical format. This ensures it's optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Vertical formatting is critical for mobile viewing and helps your ad feel native to the platform instead of repurposed. Once exported, your video is ready to publish or upload into your ad platform. Ad supporting variations, highly recommended. One of the biggest advantages of using Creatify is speed. Instead of investing all of your time into a single version of an ad and hoping that it performs, you can quickly produce multiple variations and test different messaging angles. This is how most high-performing brands approach creative. They don't guess, they test. Start by changing the opening hook. The first 2 seconds determine whether someone keeps watching, so experiment with different ways to grab attention. You can also adjust on-screen text to emphasize different benefits, rewrite the headline to target a different pain point, or highlight a different product outcome depending on the audience you're trying to reach. Another powerful lever is the benefit you focus on. One version might highlight the convenience, another might be durability, and another a specific result the customer wants. You can also test different calls to action, such as shop now, try it today, or see why everyone's switching. Even the background, framing, or visual style can change how viewers perceive the product. Small changes often produce large differences in performance. Instead of searching for the perfect ad, create several versions, monitor which one resonates most, and scale the winner. This testing mindset is what separates average ads from consistent profitable ones. Where to use these videos? These short-form videos are designed to feel native to the platform where people spend the most time. Because they match the style and pacing of everyday content, they integrate naturally into social feeds and feel less like interruptions. They work especially well for TikTok ads and organic posts, Instagram Reels and Stories, and Facebook or Meta advertising campaigns. Many businesses also use these videos on product pages or landing pages to quickly demonstrate value and build trust before a purchase decision. If you sell on marketplaces like Amazon, adding short-form video can improve product understanding and conversion rates. They're also extremely useful for UGC-style creative testing, where the goal is to mimic authentic customer content rather than polished brand commercials. This approach often leads to higher engagement and stronger performance because viewers feel like they're watching real experiences rather than being sold to. Pro tip, keep it mobile first. After generating your video, preview it on your phone before publishing. Most viewers will encounter your content on a mobile device, and what looks clear on a desktop screen can feel crowded or hard to read on a smaller display. Make sure the text is readable without zooming and that the product is visible immediately when the video begins. The opening seconds should communicate what the viewer is seeing and why it matters. If someone has to figure out what the product is, you've already lost attention. Also confirm that captions are easy to follow without sound. A large percentage of users watch videos silently, especially in public or at work, so captions should reinforce the message and guide the viewer through the content. Above all, remember that attention is earned quickly and lost just as fast. If the hook is clear, the visuals are easy to understand, and the message lands within the first few seconds, you dramatically increase the chances that viewers will keep watching and ultimately take action. Before you start producing ads at scale, let's quickly look at how pricing works so you can choose the right plan. Creatify offers a free plan, which is ideal if you just want to test the workflow and see how the platform generates short-form ads. The free tier includes 10 credits per month and allows you to create AI video ads, avatar videos, AI shorts, image ads, and scripts. Videos export with a watermark, but it's enough to evaluate quality and experiment with messaging before committing. The starter plan is designed for creators and solopreneurs who want to publish consistently at around $19 per month. You get 20 videos per month, which is around 100 credits, plus access to all creation tools, a large library of AI actors, premium AI models, ad templates, and videos up to 2 minutes long. This plan removes the testing limitations and is a practical practical entry point if you're producing content for a single brand or store. Then we have our Pro plan. So this is the most popular option and is built for marketers, business owners, and growing teams. At about $49 a month, it includes a significant, larger credible access to more realistic AI actors, additional premium models, more ad templates, longer video durations, and advanced tools like ad cloning, competitor tracking, creative analytics, and collaboration features. If you're actively running paid ads, testing multiple creatives, or managing campaigns, this is typically where the platform starts to deliver serious value. For larger teams or agencies, the enterprise tier offers custom pricing and advanced capabilities such as multi-seat collaboration, API access, custom templates, white label solutions, enhanced security, and dedicated account support. This level is geared towards organizations producing high volumes of creative or managing multiple brands. A helpful way to think about it is this: start free to learn the workflow, move to starter when you begin publishing regularly, and upgrade to pro when you're testing creatives at scale or running paid campaigns. And that's how you turn any product link into TikTok and Reels ready ads using Creatify. Instead of filming, scripting, and editing from scratch, you can start from proven formats and generate social first creatives in minutes. If you want to try Creatify yourself, use the link below and follow along with the same workflow. If this video helped you understand how modern short form ads are created, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides on AI tools and content workflows. I'm Erin from AI Academy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.